Welcome to Allison
and Marisha.
Today we're going to do 3 weather activities.
Have you ever wondered how the rain comes out of the clouds?
We're going to teach you about how it rains today. Evaporation, condensation,
and precipitation. My mom drew the life cycle on this plastic bag.
And I'm going to pour some water in it. We're going to tape it outside in a sunny spot.
It's evaporating, condensating, and precipitation. See, it's raining. These are the required materials: 2 disposable see-through cups, a Sharpie, a paintbrush, and paint.
On 1 cup, I'm going to write today's weather.
Next, we're going to have to think of all of the types of weather. Sunny, cloudy, snowy, lightning, and rainy. Now we can write those on our cup. Next, we finish our painting and it's all dry.
Then you put this cup on top.
So what's today's weather, girls?
Oh, it's partly cloudy today.
Partly cloudy. Show it.
It's partly cloudy today.
What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? What's the weather today? We're going to show you how clouds hold a lot of water.
These are the required materials: shaving cream, a glass that's filled up halfway with water, same thing with food coloring, and 2 spoons.
First, I'm going to put shaving cream until it covers the top of the water. I'm going to flatten the shaving cream down a little bit. Let's pretend the shaving cream's the clouds. Mariah, start putting the water in and see how much it can hold.
It's starting to storm.
See the blue? That's the rain coming out.
A cloud can hold lots of water before it rains.
Thank you for watching, Allison
and Marisha.
Hit the subscribe button to watch more.
And hit the thumbs up if you liked our videos.
Bye.